When you start the celestial path, you start having a lot of synchronicities from the universe in your life. Uh, the synchronicities that we have are more a movement of the whole play that the universe does with all of us. And we may sometimes think, why is this happening with me? Or why is this message coming to me? And the answer is very simple, is that when you have your vibration high, and as we have said so many times, in celestial, you start from the fifth dimension, automatically you have a synchronicity with that type of vibration. When you have that type of vibration, telepathy, messages that comes from the universe in a very different ways, it starts approaching you. Over here, the important thing is that you're awake to be able to get in contact with them. So we know God works in a very mysterious way. That is like that. But the moment you start connecting with this vibration of the celestial system, you start understanding also which is the message that they're giving you in a spot, in a perfect moment that you are asking for an answer of whatever it's going on in your life, you get it. If you have your attention and you're really doing your work, because of course you may do the celestial system, but if you don't do your work, it's like doing nothing. Automatically you get the answer of, oh, this is what they're telling me, or this is what I have to do, or this is what they're telling me where I'm going, or this is the solution for what I've been struggling in my mind. So synchronicity exists, it's there. You just have to be aware when the answer comes. They're every time talking to us. They're every time working with us. They're every time bracing us and loving us and giving us the answers to all our questions. It's just a matter of paying attention.
And I would say also it's like learning a new language, understanding something that before for us it was coded and now it's revealed. It's like a poetry when you find it beautiful and you find the sense of what is going on, and this can be interpreted in your whole life. And one day you start feeling that these synchronicities are just the answer and the rhyme from other events, from other thoughts, from other things that happened in the past for you. So it's like a big poetry. Your life starts to be a poem where everything rhymes, everything making sense through these synchronicities, through these messages that you are able to decode, you are able to understand right now. You are able to do it easily. And it's astonishing because you start paying attention to things that were not so evident for you in the past. They start to show up to you and they are just in front of you, in front of your life, and they rhyme with something that happened to you. It's a new comprehension that it's coping with something that you needed to link with a past event. It's something amazing. It's something really poetic. Your whole life starts to be in this poetry style, this poetry life, where everything rhymes, where everything is synchronized with the voice of God.